to Amsterdam. As you probably know, it's our hometown. In the Netherlands, we have a very warm relationship with the private equity environment. And we are actually looking to develop that wider in Europe through ABN AMRO Commercial Finance. The banking world has changed, I would say. Regulation is really coming upon us, and I understand also upon you. It requires a new mindset, and it was quite interesting to actually, note after having 10 years spent outside of private equity during dinner last night, is that your tone of voice really has changed. Financing also has a new place in society, and I believe it's this year the first time that talents don't choose investment banks, but rather consultancy firms to actually develop themselves. And those are slow changes to come, but they will continue. It is also probably the first time that an asset-based lender is sponsoring this. I may be wrong, but I think so. And what we see is that asset-based lending is really taking off. We've been growing double-digit over the last couple of years, and we expect to do so, even though it may be a bumpy road in Europe. As I stand here, the key word for me is open. As a lending class, we've been open over the last couple of years, and regulation is really pushing us forward. We love to finance growth as well as exits. And we're open to support the private equity environment across Europe with attractive funding levels, pricing, and structures. And we keep on actually developing that quite quickly. So if you haven't considered asset-based lending yet, I would actually invite you to do so, because it is really an alternative to consider. I would say open is also an emotional state, as we as an asset-based lending class also need to change. You may believe and think that we're intrusive, and sometimes we can be. But if you actually see what ICT is going to do to the financing environment, we may actually be ahead. And what we're looking to do is actually not only use the information we need to run our assets for our own support, but actually to help you run your business, to give you the information back. Or, for instance, when you're looking for an acquisition, to support you with an asset analysis still in the acquisition phase. So we're quite flexible in that and willing to support you early on in the process. I truly believe that asset-based lending will be a real mainstream alternative. And as I look at Europe and I see the number of companies that are actually looking for a successor, and with the generation change coming, I think also for you there's a huge opportunity to actually step into Europe and many good companies. And we actually love to support you in that. We love to help you grow. Our strategy is called Partners for Growth, and that's what we're looking to actually be for you as well. So thank you very much for being here, and I hope you're going to have a good conference, a good day. And I love to actually see you doing business with us, and we with you. Thank you very much.